Birthday singing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Simon. Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha. Yay!
Yay!
All right, blow out the candles. Simon, go like this. Simon. Blow on the candles.
Yeah, just like that, because they're hot.
Do it
Don't
again.
let him touch them.
I'm not going to touch. Blow again. Good job. One more time. Yay!
Good job, Simon!
Got it.
Okay, hold on. Now, I got all melty. Alright, now back him far away. There you go.
I'm trying to
Alright.
blow it out.
Now, since Mama's lame, this is Daddy's birthday cake, too. So, happy birthday to you. Simon, are you going to sing? No. Happy birthday to you. Happy 31st birthday, dear Jeffrey. I didn't know numbers went that high. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Can you help me blow this one too, Simon?
Maybe Roxy will help.
He did it, pretty much.
Good job. Okay.
Thank you.
So, Jeff, do you want to explain what you think the castle looks like, since it's not much of a castle?
No, I think it looks great. It looks like the lair of an evil villain.
There you go. I said it looked like Swamp Castle from Monty Python. But it obviously didn't turn out of the pan very well. So, anyway, but that's fine. Okay, let's end this video and eat our cake.